well-known actress best known for her stellar media presence. We'd now like to call upon Disha Singh, founder of Zouk, to walk the ramp with Apurva.
Hello. Hey, hi everybody. Thank you so much for this, right? I'm sure a lot of us is walking the ramp for the first time, right? And we feel bold, we feel that we have stepped up the game and we all look super elegant. So first of all, thank you so much for this. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you for all the lovely ladies out there, right? When we conceptualized this event, we were thinking that even though fashion shows have such a long history, there are very few fashion shows which are Indian theme based, right? And we realized that who better than the team at Zouk to change that, right? And who better than our lovely creator who on their daily life, try to break the content letter by the Indian roots to change, right? So we are super proud of what we have done today, the first edition of the Proudly Indian Fashion Show. And we hope that in the coming years we'll make it better and bigger, right? So thank you so much. Thank you, Apurva, for coming, right? Thank you all the creators. Let's give a round of applause to us first. Thank you, my lovely team at Zouk, without whom this will not be possible, right? So double round of applause for them. Thank you so much. Right? And thank you all the lovely people out there who are watching us live, who will be watching us later as well, right? You all have contributed with Zouk in taking our proudly Indian message forward. So thank you so much and a happy Republic Day to you all. Thank you.
A big round of applause for everyone. So with this, we end today's lovely afternoon. We hope everybody had a great time and enjoyed all the performances. Please wait and while we hand out the goodies, and let's start taking pictures. If we can, Gayatri. Let's start taking pictures. Yes. Once again, thank you so much. We had a great time.